What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the best creative writing websites for you to start making money on. If you enjoy writing or you're pretty decent at it, these are great ways for you to make money through these creative writing websites. Important word here when we say creative, because that means it's not transcribing or just boring copy and paste work. It's usually pretty creative oriented. It's a blog post or a story-based thing. So if you're into that, that's good for you. Before we get started though, you guys make sure you hit the like button. Now let's get into it. Number one, bunnyinc.com. Bunny Inc., just like the rest of these sites, they hire creative online writers to make money on their site. On Bunny Inc., you can also apply for a translator or a voice actor on the same website. So if you're into that and you're like, I don't even know why I'm watching this video, that might be a good option for you. So the way Bunny Inc. works is people go in here and they outsource to get writing jobs done. Might be a blogger who goes on the website and needs a blog post written, and they reach out to the potential writers and you can accept the job and write the blog post. On Bunny Inc., the pay is generally very good. You're gonna make about $15 per 100 words. That's insane. PayPal, Payoneer are two of the main ways that you can be paid on the site, but you also can do wire transfers if that better suits your situation. Number two, Contenter.com. Contenter.com is very similar to Bunny Inc. However, they're even more picky in their selection process, so don't expect to get into this one. Just as Bunny Inc., blogs, emails, newsletters, all sorts of stuff like that. And they actually only have 400 writers worldwide working for them, so I take that as them being pretty selective. Just like Bunny Inc., you can also be a translator. So if you know another language, it's a way for you to use that skill or knowledge to make some extra money. And unfortunately with this site, I really couldn't find out how much you're going to be making. You might just want to try it out yourself and see if it's worth it for you. Number three, RelayPub.com. On RelayPub, you can actually apply as a designer, a writer, or an editor. They'll usually give you an idea about a story or a topic that they want you to write a book about. Some of these books are actually published and they can actually go on Amazon and make a ton of money. Unfortunately, if you do get your book published and it's on Amazon because you wrote it for the site, you're not going to be earning any of the commissions. You're just going to be earning the set rate that you were supposed to make for writing the book. And that's unfortunate if your book goes big, but it's pretty unlikely. On the site, you're going to be making anywhere from 3 cents to 6 cents per word. That's pretty good. Guys, that's about it for this creative writing websites. There really isn't much of them out there, and you might want to stick to the more popular sites just because some, are so low populated that there's not a lot of people going on there that need work. So anyway, you guys, hope you took something of value from this video. I hope some of you guys try out some of these sites. Please make sure you go down and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.